on an empty stomach with his heart racing. Indian shooter Swapnil Kusale has kept his composure to a stage of a remarkable comeback and help his country claim its first ever Olympic bronze in the 50-meter rifle three positions event. As far as Swapnil shooting an aggregate of 451.4 in the 8-shooter final to finish the third place and being placed 6th at one stage. It took the country's overall tally to 3. Let me go across to Karishma now. She's been witnessing as far as these events live from Paris. Well, Karishma, as far as the Indian shooting contingent is concerned, this has been one of the most outstanding performances that is now coming from them.
Well, yes, absolutely, Amita, and this is, I think, the highest number of medals that we have got from shooting in Olympics. There are 3 medals now, 3 overall medals for India at the Olympics now, and all coming in from shooting, and this makes it very, very important because, remember, shooting has been in the spotlight for the last 2 Olympics, not getting any medals, drawing a blank. So now to have 3 medals, 2 of them from just one athlete, which is, of course, Manu Bhakar, has been very, very special. And today, Swapnil Kusale, the special thing about Swapnil was the consistency that he showed. There were 1 or 2 bad shots in between his performance, but the consistency, from starting he was languishing at the bottom of the table to then being 5th, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, and then consistently being 3rd. We were speaking to the Indian Olympic Association President PT Usha, who was here to watch Swapnil win that historic bronze medal, and she said that even she was feeling the jitters every time Swapnil Kusale was going up or down on the points table. So it has been that sort of a day, but a very, very good day for India indeed, because he is an Olympic debutant and winning a bronze medal. He comes, very, very hard training for this event, and he has done that. He has, in fact, won India its 3rd medal, and we were speaking to him in the mixed zone, and he said that he just wanted to maintain the calm and composure that he had for so many days before the start of this event, and he's looking forward, of course, to speaking to us now as well. He has told us that he is going to come out after the protocol, which is, of course, the anti-doping and some other formalities. But yes, he's very, very excited with his win. He wanted to win it for India, and he's done that and
Absolutely.
done that in style.
And everybody back home can't wait for his return, because this is something that the entire country would be celebrating together.